Hello and welcome to my kitchen. I'm doing a recipe today that I think will really work well for you because we're coming into a very social time of the year, and this is a salad that will really impress your guests. What is it? Well, I'm making the smaller version because I want you to show you how easy it is to make a beautiful salad if it's just two of you at home, because I think we tend to just be boring and just do lettuce, tomato, cucumber, but you can make this for yourselves. It's out of More Cooking for Honor 2, and it's the pear and walnut salad. It's an epic salad, and it's one that you'll often see in restaurants. You know, it's a little bit fancy. It's also in book 6. Now, in book, the More Cooking, it makes enough for 2 people. So we often make this, me and Billy, and I feel a bit special when I'm having it. But if you wanted to make the bigger one, it serves 6 in the cooking, the book 6 for you. Look, before we get into the recipe, can I just have a little promotion time? Because I'm a bit fizzy excited. I've got some Christmas promotion for you. It's only on for a short time, but if you remember last year, I had the big red roasting pan from Neoflam. Well, I've now got the small, which is just beautiful. Like, you could definitely, you know, make, like for me and Bill, this is perfect for a roast, you know, with our veggies and that. You could put a chicken in this as well. It's a really good size. It's actually probably like a lasagna dish. This is it, completely non-stick. And then here's the medium one. So, you know, you could put your chook and your roast potatoes there as well. But look, these are on just for a short time. I've got a special deal from Neoflam, which I love. But also, what I'm giving you is a little bonus gift. We do like a bonus, don't we? So for every one, you'll get the yellow spoon and the green one. So you'll get that for free. And so they're beautiful wooden ones. So that's just me giving you a little bit of something new on the website that are fabulous. Nothing sticks, and I'm sorry, but when my pumpkin's roasting, I don't want that skin stuck on the base. I want it in my mouth. All right, so let's focus on this fizzy, fabulous salad. Yeah, it's a really easy one to do, and as I said, we make it all the time just for us. So what you need is a cup of the rocket. You've got a cup of baby spinach, 10 grams of walnuts. You want a medium-sized pear, and we're only going to use half of that. You've got some fresh parmesan. I think that's important for this salad. You only need 15 grams. Remember, it's only for 2 people. You want a little bit of ginger and garlic. You know, use fresh if you want. This is how you make the dressing with the Italian dressing and some honey. So let me show you how to do it because it's super fabulously easy. So first of all, I've got my this is what I tend to serve it up for us. So you're putting in the rocket and the baby spinach. And I just like to mix them up. Now, if you're not a rocket fan, you could put like the coloured lettuce leaves, or the butter lettuce might be nice, but this is traditionally using the rocket. I've got my little small chopping board ready to go. So let's start with the walnuts. Now, it's only 10 grams, and I want to chop them up. Don't do them super fine because otherwise you'll lose them in the salad. And it's lovely when you get that little bit of nut in your mouth with the salad. It really is fantastic. There we go. Now I'm going to put them on as I go. So just sprinkling the walnuts over. Yum. Oh, I hope you make this because it's just really, really good. Now we're going to do the parmesan, and I'm going to weigh how much I need. I've got my little Swedish cheese slicer. Otherwise, use a knife and cut it thin. I tend to go for this more than the bigger side because I want little shards of it. So let's see how much we get for 10 grams. It needs to be reasonably thin. Oh no, I'm sorry, it's 15. What am I saying? It's 15 grams. I think that might be it. Whoops, and take one out. All right, so that is the cheese. I'm going to put that over as well. It's so quick and easy when you make it for 2, but really, when you're making it for 6, oh look, come on, we can't, waste not, want not. We can't, you know, when you're making a big one, it's just so lovely. I tend to have it all ready except, and I have the dressing to go. I do this and then I do the pear and wait and put the dressing on when I'm ready. So I put the pear on when I'm ready as well because I don't want it to go brown. So you can sort of make up a little bit ahead, but I always think the pear is always much better being cut fresh and then put on the salad. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut thin. You want thin slices of pear. And I think people get really impressed when you serve this up. I mean, are you sick of salad? Just boring old salad? Well, here you go. I might cut it this side this time. So easy, so delicious, so healthy. And with going into the festive season, lots of entertaining. And I mean, if you're doing, you know, dinners or barbecues, this is the salad that will really, really be popular. There we go. And when I'm making it, sometimes I'll make a, you know, like the big one, but a double batch of the 6, and I put it on a big platter and put it all out, and so it's all lovely. And then I just move it around where the dressing goes on, and people go and help themselves. I just love it. I'm a little bit excited, aren't I? All right, let's do 1/4 cup of Italian dressing. Let's give it a shake. This is the fat-free. 1/4 cup. There we go. Only 1/4 teaspoon each of ginger and garlic, because once again, remember, we're only making it for 2 people, so it's all little. That's the ginger. This is a good little dressing if you want to just have it on your normal tossed salad. And then all we do is put a teaspoon of honey. And that will pick it all up, especially going with the pear. Beautiful. Get my little whisk. Look at that. I don't know, it's just so easy but so fabulous, isn't it? And I'd be interested, what is your favourite salad out of all my cookbooks? Because this is one of my go-tos. The other one is the Asian salad. Love that. Sym slaw, cauliflower, curry cauliflower. Oh my God, I could go on forever. Malay salad. We actually have the Malay dressing in a old salad dressing thing because we love it so much, and we can have it whenever we want then, just on normal salad. All right, we are, look, oh my gosh, how easy is today's show? Let's put these, I won't put the knives in there, I don't want to cut myself. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to just lift that around, and all you have to do, make sure that honey is really well mixed in. Pour it over. Oh my gosh, who knew? Weight loss could be so deliciously healthy. Oh yes, please. Gourmet, but so easy. And that was the theme for this year, wasn't it? Easy peasy. That's what we wanted. Well, there you go. Booyah! Another recipe done on a Thursday with Annette. Now, if you want to win, let me just wash my hands. If you want to win book 6 and more Cooking for 2, oh yes, be in it to win it, I say. All you have to do is like, share, and in the comments, hashtag Simply Too Good. You do that, and hopefully you'll be one of the 3 winners. Oh, Annette, one of the 3 winners on from the show this week. Well, now please don't forget about the roasters. They're on until they're sold out. You know, that's it. It's a sort of a one-time offer. So I hope you get in quick. and enjoy the roasters because they are amazing. And also, guess what all my kids are getting for Christmas this year? Hello. Anyway, next week's show, I'm sorry, we're going to be doing Christmas. It's going to start next week. I'm doing Christmas recipes all the way to the end of the year because that's what we really want. And the one that I'm making, I've never done on the show before, it's the Christmas strudel. It is so good, and it's one that I actually make leading into Christmas as well for desserts. And if you're not a big, Christmas pudding person or whatever, this is a great idea for Christmas Day. But I'm also going to show you, it's in book 2, but I'm also going to show you how to make single ones because I can. Yes, it's not in any other books, so you need to be here next week to learn that. So for more recipes and tips, you know where to go, simplytoogood.com.au, and go into the shop and get your roasters for Christmas. Take care now, and I'll see you next week.